Given the fact that you are the university president, I would like to believe that you are complicit to a point that you allowed the filming, production of such a video, a campaign ad for a certain local candidate.
Madam President, pakisagot lang po yung aking katanungan. Masyado na pa kayong defensive eh. Ang sagot po nyo dun sa aking katanungan, estudyante po ng SNSU, yung mga nag-participate doon. Yes or no?
Sampo.
Hindi po ba kayo nagalit dahil 7 estudyante ninyo nagamit sa political ads, pati yung mismong eskwelahan ninyo?
Simpleng-simple lang po yung tanong ko, Madam President. Doktor po ang nakalagay dyan sa inyong titulo dyan. Pakisagot lang po yung aking tanong. Otherwise, I will move to cite you in contempt. Gymnasium ba ng SNSU yun? Yun po ang aking katanungan.
Yes, Mr.
Yes,
Chair.
simpleng-simple lang
For
po yung aking
candidates
katanungan. And I do not know why a doctor of philosophy cannot answer a simple question.
I have a complete video of that particular activity wherein in that video, it was shown there that you and some of your faculty were dancing. May I know lang, Madam President, when did you assume your office as president of the SNSU?
Mr. Chair, I assumed office on February 11, 2025.
Feb 11, okay. Are you aware of certain videos that circulated online which featured scenes filmed within the facilities of SNSU, apparently used as part of a campaign propaganda by a local candidate during the recent May 12 elections in Surigao del Norte? Are you aware of that? Ginamit po ang inyong campus, ginamit po ang inyong faculty, ginamit po ang inyong estudyante promoting a certain candidate. Are you aware of that?
Mr. Chair, I was made aware upon the video was flooding in the Facebook account.
Okay. So-
Okay, Mr. Chair, may I?
I'd like to ask the indulgence of the members to please bear with me. Can I show the short video?
Yes, please.
So may I ask the committee secretariat to please show the video? Ito ay nakakagulat dahil ginamit po ang state resources ng isang kandidato, which is a clear election offense.
O yun sa Manday.
Dali, tanaw. Amo ba dya ini ang SNSU sa una? Sa nananidya ba dya pangayan kay Siargao National College of Science and Technology?
O amo, yun sa man pagkahimo na university ang SNSU?
Are these students of the SNSU?
Oo, tanawa.
I know how it happened. Sugod pa ng 2010, nag-file ang balaod nun si Kung Lalo para i-integrate ang Siargao National College of Science and Technology sa mga colleges ng Surigao del
Is
Norte.
she also the
Ang
member of the
Surigao State
faculty?
College of Technology sa Surigao City, Claver, Sanan Malimuno, Sanan ang Surigao del Norte College of Agriculture ng Mainit. Ini na-aprubahan ang 2013 na nahimo na Republic Act 10600 or 10600. Namugna ang Surigao del Norte State University. Si Kung Lalo Matugas ang kuman tagtawag na author ng charter ng SNSU.
Si Kung Lalo.
Dili ba siya na siya galing maghimo kay universidad? Tanawa ang taghim kumanikong lalo. Grabe niya na effort na mumbinsi sa kongreso. Isa pa, grabe niya sila napagpaningkamot na matuman ini.
Awa, sumakses si May Magtuo. Uman, grabe nakaarang nakahanap ng trabaho. Sana nakakuha ng tungod, graduate ng State University.
O di ba?
Ga, dili ra lamang diri sa isla ng Siargao, pati na sa probinsya ng Surigao del Norte. Ligasiya ini ni Kong ang pagka-universidad ng SNSU.
Lain makapadadya ng kamaragyaw na agit ko yung OG.
Ang nagsugod ng kalambuan sa Siargao.
Okay, thank you. May I ask the President ayun pa pala, yun, no? Atong iboto.
Sa balota.
Meron pa isa? May I know ano ibig sabihin ng OG? Ayan, this is inside the gym of the SNSU, Your Honors. So, may I know ano ibig sabihin ng OG? If there's anyone from Surigao, no? So, after viewing the video, can you confirm, Madam President Plando, whether the location in the video is indeed the SNSU campus?
Mr. Chair, upon someone informed me on the video that is flooding on the internet, on the promotional video, I would like to emphasize that we then acted on it with urgency.
No, I'm just asking,
Mr.
Madam
Chair,
President.
Mr. Chair,
Congressman Acop, you're recognized.
may I remind Madam President that she should answer the question of the Honorable Barbers directly. Huwag po kayong umiwas. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Please answer the question of Honorable Barbers directly, Madam President.
Mr. Chair, the venue was not in our campus.
The venue where
The classroom.
So, ano yung
Yes,
nakalagay
on
na
the
SNSU
classroom
doon?
and the video.
So, you better be
In the-
sure with your answer, Madam President,
In
because
the promotional video.
the evidence speaks for itself. Baka nakakalimutan mo, nakita mo yung video. So,
May I remind the resource person that you are under oath, ma'am. So better answer honestly and truthfully.
now, if I may continue, Your Honor.
Please
Mr.
continue,
Chair.
Congressman Barbers.
Now, as president of the university, it is incumbent upon you to exercise general supervision of all the facilities, the campuses within the confines of the university. Is that correct?
Yes, Mr. Chair. That's
Now, are you aware that it was used for a political ad or political campaign?
No, Mr. Chair.
So you're not aware. Now, since ikaw yung may general supervision dyan at hindi ka aware sa nangyayari within your campus, what does that tell me, Mr. Chair? Is a question of incompetence or competence proper at this time? I really don't know. I really don't know. Kasi ikaw nga yung presidente dyan and you should be, you have the general supervision of all the, you think pumunta lang dun yung kandidato, ginamit yung facility nyo without telling you or telling anyone from your university?
Mr. Chair, I was made aware when that video came.
So clearly,
posted
you were
in
not
the
informed prior to the use of the
No.
sugan, which again tells me na wala kang supervision doon sa iyong campus, which is not, which is supposed to be expected of a university president. So medyo mayroon tayong ano dyan, di ba? Another question, no? Yung video na yon, was it filmed during a weekday na merong klase? Ano bang, I'd like to be familiar with the goings on in that particular video. Yeah, di ba pagka may mga shooting sa mga campuses, minsan humihingi yan ng permits eh. Oh, hindi naman pwedeng pumasok lang yan dyan, nag-video, no? Eh, ang problema, kung ito ang video na to, kinuha nung mayroong klase. Ano, sinuspend ba yung klase? Para lang to give way to the production of a video? Now, let me remind the President Plando, no? Yung mga questions, who authorized them to use the facility, isa yan, no? Were classes suspended or disrupted during the production of this video? Maraming mga questions na ano And the law is very clear, no? Sabi yan. Yung papel ko. You see, let me define what abuse of state resources is, no? As provided in the revised penal code at saka section, this is considered an election offense, no? Sabi dito, abuse of state resources pertains to the misuse of government resources, whether material, human, coercive, regulatory, budgetary, media-related, or legislative, or for electoral advantage, no? So, meron pong kaakibat na penalty po ito, no? Under Section 263 of the Revised Penal Code, sinasabi po dito, sino yung persons criminally liable? Sinabi po rito, the principals, yung actors ng video, accomplices, yung pumayag na magpagamit ng state resources, and accessories as defined in the Revised Penal Code shall be criminally liable for election offense. If the one responsible be a political party or an entity, its president or head, the officials and employees of the same performing duties connected with the offense committed, and its members who may be principals, accomplices, or accessories shall be liable. And any person found guilty, as provided in Section 264 of the Revised Penal Code, any person found guilty of any election offense under this code shall be punished with imprisonment of not less than 1 year, but not more than 6 years, and shall not be subject to probation. So, I don't know if you're aware of this. Given the fact that you are the university president, I would like to believe that you are complicit to a point that you allowed the filming, production of such a video, a campaign ad for a certain local candidate. So, Mr. Chair, Honorable
Mr. Chair,
members, I'd like to give the the opportunity for the university president to be able to answer this after this committee recommends or writes our committee report and consider the findings as part of our recommendations, including, of course, the filing of criminal cases, administrative cases against those who have erred or have committed this grave misconduct, anomalies, malfeasance, and misfeasance, Mr. Chair. With that, I'd like to thank you for the opportunity, and I'd like to thank also CHED, headed by Dr. Shirley Agrupis, and the members and the
Mr.
President
Chair,
of the Board
can I
of Regents of
further-
the Surigao del Norte State University.
Mr.
Yes,
Chair.
Madam President.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. I noted the comments of our good congressman, Congressman Barbers, but then I would like also to emphasize that we issued an official statement on May 1. That was the day when the video or the promotional video circulated, and the university categorically denies any knowledge, involvement, and or authorization in the production, endorsement, and or circulation of said promotional campaign video. Neither funds and resources of SNSU have been used, nor its officials, administrators, faculty, and staffs have been consulted in the said production, endorsement, and or circulation. The views and opinions expressed therein do not in any way reflect those of SNSU. Further, Mr. Chair, on May 1, we issued the official statement of the university. And that said video, okay. So the Office of the University President issued Memorandum Order Number 217, Series of 2225, instructing the campus director of SNSU Del Carmen Campus to conduct an urgent investigation relative to the subject matter. On May 2, then, the campus director of SNSU Del Carmen Campus issued the following office memorandum order for the following purpose: to create an investigation team and to conduct investigation. On May 2, 2025, an investigation was conducted at the LRC conference room following reports regarding the unauthorized use of SNSU students and faculty in a promotional and campaign video that was posted and circulated online. On May 13, Office of the President also issued an office order number 240, series of 2025, creating a composite team to conduct verification on the result of the investigation conducted per office memorandum order. However, the team failed to convene after the election. Another office memorandum order number SNSU Admin 05148 series of 2025 dated May 26, 2025 was issued, creating another team to verify on the veracity of the result of the investigation conducted by SNSU Del Carmen Campus. On May 27, 228, the team conducted the actual verification process, and each of the invited official, employee, and students were informed of their rights prior to the interview. The team were able to obtain sworn statements with consent of the concerned parties. And this concerns and issues also, Mr. Chair and honorable members of the committee, was presented to the Board of Regents for deliberations and discussion, because I am only one member or member of the governing board, which is the highest governing policy-making body of the university. So my point, Mr. Chair and honorable members of the committee, that we tried our best to really investigate and to know the truth also. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
The Honorable Acop is recognized.
With the indulgence of the Honorable Barbers, Madam President, sabi po niyo, nag-imbestiga po kayo, di po ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Meron po bang resulta yung investigasyon ninyo?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
And what would be the finding?
The finding was the person appearing as a teacher in the video political campaign is not a bona fide employee of SNSU.
Hindi rin po
Rather, Mr.
estudyante
Chair,
yung dalawa.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Rather, a teaching staff of a certain school. Thus, SNSU officials and employees, Mr. Chair, and honorable members of the committee, and not directly or indirectly involved in any partisan political activity.
Madam President, pakisagot lang po yung aking katanungan. Masyado na pa kayong defensive eh. Bilang isang investigador, ako yung nagdududa. Masyado ka ng defensive. Hindi ko naman yun ang tinatanong ko eh. Ang tinatanong ko lang po sa inyo ay kung meron na po kayong findings. Kasi hindi nyo sinagot kanina yung mga katanungan ni Honorable Burrs. Number one, dininay nyo kanina na yung classroom at saka campus na ginamit, hindi po sa SNSU. Tama po ba yung pagkarinig ko?
Yung classroom po, Mr. Chair, is hindi.
Hindi po.
Hindi po sa
How would you know that it is not a classroom of SNSU? Is it a product of your investigation, officially conducted?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Huh? Is that part of the investigation report submitted to your office?
Madam President,
Yes or no?
Yes.
before you answer the Honorable Akop, make sure you are answering truthfully. Because later on, if we will be able to prove that that incident happened inside the perimeter of your campus,
Mr. Chair, I would like to request respectfully that the result of the investigation will be furnished to the Board of Regents for deliberation and discussions.
Pakiulit po yun. Hindi po namin nakuha ng buong-buo yung sinabi po ninyo.
On May 29, actually, Mr. Chair, this was presented to the Board of Regents.
Yeah. Hindi naman po yung board ang tinatanong ko. Tinatanong ko po kayo bilang SNSU President. And you should be aware of all these things bilang Presidente ng SNSU. Di po ba? It's part of your jurisdiction that you should know everything that happens within your campus.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
ang
Yes.
tanong ni Congressman Akop kanina, if that incident happened inside the campus, including the classroom scene.
Hindi po ang classroom.
Ano
Mr.
po?
Chair. Hindi po yung classroom, Mr. Chair.
Second, yun po mga actors or actresses na nandun po sa present ni Honorable Barbers, hindi po taga SNSU.
Mr. Chair.
Was that also discovered in your investigation? Hindi ba dapat very critical yun sa inyong investigasyon?
Based on the investigation, Mr. Chair, that 7 out of 10 students personally and voluntarily participated in the video political campaign.
So in other words, ang sagot po nyo doon sa aking katanungan, estudyante po ng SNSU, yung mga nag-participate doon. Yes or no?
Some po. Hindi
O
lahat.
sige, Sam. Ilan ba yung estudyante na pinag-uusapan po natin?
7 out of 10, Mr. Chair.
7 out of 10. Mas maraming estudyante ng SNSU. At doon sa investigation report, yung tatlo, hindi nyo po alam kung saan nanggaling. Yun po ba ang ibig nyo sabihin?
Yes, Mr. Chair. And
Next question, Madam President. May prinisinta po rin si the Honorable Barbers na affair or event sa isang gymnasium. Yung gymnasium ba na yun, hindi gymnasium ng SNSU?
Mr. Chair,
Simpleng-simple lang po yung tanong ko, Madam President. Doktor po ang nakalagay dyan sa inyong titulo dyan. Pakisagot lang po yung aking tanong. Otherwise, I will move to cite you in contempt.
it was on the candidates forum, Mr. Chair.
I beg your pardon?
Candidates forum, where the...
Gymnasium ba ng SNSU yun? Yun po ang aking katanungan.
Yes, Mr.
Yes,
Chair.
simpleng-simple lang
For
po yung aking
candidates
katanungan. And I do not know why a doctor of philosophy cannot answer a simple question. This is an investigation in aid of legislation. And you should answer questions directly, Madam President. Di po ba? So in other words, lahat po ng sinyales ay nagamit po yung inyong campus. Would you agree with that, Madam President? Nandun yung estudyante, nandun yung gymnasium ninyo. If it quacks like a duck, it is a duck. Madam President.
Mr. Chair, I think I have to verify first because Based on my knowledge, the university gym was used for the candidates forum where it was being hosted by agencies and the Commission on Election, not for promotional video.
Madam President, yung pong katanungan ko po hindi na, yung sagot po ninyo, hindi naman po yung kasama doon sa katanungan ko Simple lang po yung tanong ko. Yung bang gymnasium na prinisinta dito kanina ni Honorable Barders, na merong event, gymnasium ba ng SNSU? And all of these informations should have been contained in the investigation report conducted by the people you have directed to conduct the investigation. In other words, I can call their investigation very, very sloppy, Madam President. And if you're satisfied with that investigation, I'm sorry. Hindi po ako naniniwala po sa inyo. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you. If I may, with the indulgence of the Honorable Ace Barbers. Madam Chair, tama po ba yung pagkakaintindi ko na 7 out of 10 students participated in this TV ads or in this political ads?
Based on the result, yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. And based on what you said a while ago, some of the scenes, if not all, were shot inside the vicinity or inside the campus.
No, Mr. Chair.
So, are you telling us na yung 7 estudyante inilabas pa from the school?
Mr. Chair, hindi po yun sa classroom ng SNSU vicinity.
Kaya nga po. So, hindi lang naman po yung scene sa classroom. Di ba, meron din ng mga scene sa labas. Meron din, yung may nagsasalita po doon Ang background niya, yung mismong entrance ng eskwelahan. Hindi rin po ba yun sa campus? Gumawa rin sila ng artificial na pinto or ng gate?
Sa labas ng campus.
Okay. Now, my question is, hindi po ba sila humingi ng permit sa inyo?
Not that I know of, Mr. Chair.
Kumuha ng estudyante ninyo, nag-shoot sa labas ng campus ninyo, and yet, kahit na isa, walang permit. Hindi po ba kayo nagalit dahil 7 estudyante ninyo nagamit sa political ads, pati yung mismong eskwelahan ninyo? I mean, that is the common reaction pag wala kang kinalaman.
That's why
Siyempre, as president, what if yung estudyante nagagamit?
That's why, Mr. Chair, we really have conducted a thorough investigation on the same. We cannot do otherwise because we are not sure whether or not they are our students.
So, you're saying na talaga totally wala po kayong alam?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
All right. Yes,
Mr. Chair,
Honorable.
matanong ko lang ulit si Madam President.
Honorable Barbers to
Plano.
recognize. Right before you
Yes.
continue, the Chair would like to recognize the Honorable Brian Raymond Jamsuan from Bicol Saro, Honorable Bagook from PL APEC, Honorable Crispin Diego Remulla, Vice Chairperson from 7th District of Cavite. Please continue, Congressman Barbers.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Madam President Plando, yung video which I showed earlier, you admitted that it was the gym inside the campus, correct? Tama, no?
The second video, yes, Mr.
Yes,
Chair.
yung mayroong naglalakad. And according to you, it is a candidates forum. Sigurado ka dyan.
Yes,
Sigurado
Mr. Chair.
kang candidates forum yan.
Candidates forum, yes, Mr.
I have a
Chair.
complete video of that particular activity wherein in that video, it was shown there that you and some of your faculty were dancing.
See? We have to verify, Mr. Chair.
No, I'm telling you now. I can show you the evidence. At sinasabi ko sa iyo na sana sabihin mo yung totoo. 'Di ba? It's as if you're trying to evade something. Anyway, Mr. Chair, I don't want again to belabor that point because clearly there is some semblance of untruthfulness in this hearing. But I personally believe that if indeed we can find out and produce evidence that they have complicitly or they have agreed to give favors to a candidate in the recently concluded elections, I suggest, Mr. Chair, that we have to initiate the filing of administrative and criminal cases against people who are liable. In this case, hawak pa lang po natin yung initial na ebidensya, and we will have to go deeper into finding out more proof. Pero it seems that kung totoong nangyari ito sa loob ng isang universidad na kung saan kayo ay nakitang sumasayaw, it is as if you are endorsing a candidate. Again, it's an electioneering, siguro, election offense na naman yun. So, Mr. Chair, siguro we have sufficiently deliberated on this particular issue. And I will just ask my staff to submit whatever documents, videos, pictures that we have in order for us and the members of this committee to be guided in the writing of the committee report and proposed recommendations to the same, Mr. Chair. Maraming salamat po ulit sa pagkakataon. Thank you po.
Thank you, Congressman Ace Barbers.